Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question together. So we have 3 raised to power t minus 2 raised to power t is equal to 65, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown what to solve for. To do this, solution. So we have 3 raised to power t minus 2 raised to power t is equal to 65. Now you see, we can express this in this form as in bracket 3 raised to power t all raised to power 1 minus in bracket 2 raised to power t all raised to power 1 is equal to 65. Now 2 raised to power t power of 1 is still 2 power of t. 3 raised to power t all power of 1 is still 3 raised to power t. So nothing has changed. Now at this junction, looking at this power 1 right here, we are going to apply a trick, and the trick is this. We'll apply the trick of equivalent fraction. You see, 1 can be written as 2 over 2, it can be written as 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 5 over 5, and so on and so forth. If we divide this value, we will still get 1. So in place of 1, we can bring in either 2 over 2, 3 over 3 as the case may be. So in this case, we want to bring in 2 over 2 to replace 1. Okay, shows that we now have it as difference of 2 square. Okay, just watch and see. So we have in bracket 3 raised to power t. Now instead of 1, we'll bring in 2 over 2. So 2 over 2, then minus in bracket 2 raised to power t. Then instead of 1, we'll bring in 2 over 2 is equal to 65. Okay, so from here, let us factorize out power 2 from here. Now, this can be written in the form of, in brackets, 3 raised to power t over 2, all raised to power 2, minus, in bracket, 2 raised to power t over 2, all raised to power 2 is equal to 65, such that we now have difference of 2 squares. Okay, so if you have something like this, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to, in bracket, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, and in this case, the value of a is equal to this 3 raised to power t over 2, while the value of b is equal to this 2 raised to power t over 2. So in putting this into this format, what we have is this, in bracket, a is this, so 3 raised to power t over 2 plus b 2 raised to power t over 2, then all multiplied by a 3 raised to power t over 2 minus b 2 raised to power t over 2. Okay, so with this is equal to 65. So from here, what we are going to do is that we're going to say, okay, let 3 raised to power t over 2 equal x, and also 2 raised to power t over 2 is equal to y. So that means that in the place of 3 raised to power t over 2, we put in x, and in the place of 2 raised to power t over 2, we bring in y. So this becomes, in brackets, this is then x, then plus this becomes y, multiplied by this becomes x, then minus y, all is equal to 65. Okay, so from here we can express 65 as 13 times 5, because 65 is equal to 13 times 5. So this becomes, in brackets, x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to, this becomes 13 times 5. So with this, we can then equate this, shows that we have it as, in bracket, x plus y is equal to 13, or we have x minus y, okay, is equal to 5. So from here, we have two equations. We have x plus y is equal to 13, equation 1, and we have x minus y is equal to 5, equation 2. So let us solve the first equation. So from equation 1, that we have x plus y is equal to 13, making x to stand alone, x is then equal to 13 minus y. This is then equation 3. So inputting equation 3 into equation 2, this becomes, x becomes, okay, 13 minus y. Then we have minus y is equal to 5, right? This is equation 2. So from here, what we have is this, 13 minus y, then minus y is equal to 5. So 13 minus y is equal to minus 2y is equal to 5. So then move 13 over to this side, okay, we have minus 2y is equal to 5 minus 13. So from here, what we have is this: minus 2y is equal to 5 minus 13 is equal to minus 8. So to then solve for y, divide both sides by 2. We have minus 2y is equal to minus 8. Divide by minus 2 over minus 2. This cancels this. The value of y is equal to minus cancel minus 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So y is equal to 4. Now the value of y is equal to 4. With this, let us then get the value of x. Recall that from equation 3, x is equal to 13 minus y. So from here, that we got the value of x is equal to 13 minus y. So x is equal to 13 minus, we got the value of y to equal 4. So y is equal to 4. Okay. So from here, x is then equal to 13 minus 4 is 9. So with this, we have the value of x and y. Okay. From here, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 4. But that is not all. We have to solve for the value of t. Now, recall that we said right here, let 3 raised to power t over 2 equal x, right? So from that we said, okay, let 3 raised to power t over 2 is equal to x. So in putting the value of x as 9 into this, let us then solve for the value of t. So 3 raised to power t over 2 is equal to x is 9. Now we can express 9 as 3 times 3. 9 can be written as 3 times 3, and this is equal to 3 squared. So this becomes 3 raised to power t over 2 is equal to 3 squared. So from here, if you have a raised to power b equals to a raised to power c, the same base, simply compare the exponents. So b is equal to c. So right here, we have the same base, compare the exponents. So with this, we have it as t over 2 is equal to 2. And this can be written as over 1. Simply multiply. T times 1 is t is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So we have gotten the value of t to equal 4. Okay, so we can also try that for the value of y and we'll get the same answer. Look at it. You know, we said that let 2 raised to power t over 2 equals y, right? So let us test that out. We said that let 2 raised to power t over 2 is equal to y, and we got the value of y to equal 4. So inputting the value of y as 4, 2 raised to power t over 2 is equal to 4. So from here, we can write 4 as 2 squared. So 2 raised to power t over 2 is equal to 2 squared. And since we have the same base right here, this can cancel out. So we have t over 2 is equal to 2. 2 can be written as over 1. And with this, we can simply multiply. T times 1 is t is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So as you can see, we got the same value of t as 4 and also the value of t as 4. So therefore, the value of t that we got, t is equal to 4. But then let us check if the value of t is the correct solution. So let us check it out. Check. Now the question is 3 raised to power t minus 2 raised to power t is equal to 65. And we got the value of t as 4. So 3 raised to power t is 4 minus 2 raised to power t is 4. With this equals 65 question mark. So from here, 3 raised to power 4 is 3 in 4 places, and that will give you 81, minus 2 raised to power 4 is 2 in 4 places, and that equals 16. With this equals 65 question mark. Now with this, 81 minus 16 is equal to 65, and this is equal to 65. Good. So this means that the value of t that we got as 4 is the correct solution of t. Okay. So with this, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.